So on Diners, Drives, and Dives, we have done over 1,500 locations in over 16 years. And there are really some legendary joints. I'm here in Memphis, Tennessee. Back in 2008, I had my chicken world changed forever. Oh, check this guy out, Uncle Lou's.
Here is your wing meal.
I've been coming to Uncle Lou's for over 20 years. It's just one of my favorite places to eat fried chicken.
Spicy chicken tenderloins going out with biscuits on the side.
The guy been here, I know it's good. I've been eating it ever since.
It's came to eat. Let's go.
Uncle Lou, Mr. Lewis Martin, he's a one of a kind. If you meet him, you'll never forget him, that's for sure.
I certainly didn't.
Bingo.
Uncle Lou, who opened this joint back in 2001, and his chicken definitely made an impression on me.
Watch your step.
We're not talking about me falling. Actually, I think I slipped right here. Place looks good.
Thank you.
So people can come in and just order up?
That's correct. Bingo.
Aren't you hot stuff? All right, so what was it, 2000 what? 2008?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh.
This chicken is fresh, it's hot, and it's tasty.
Now, who made this recipe?
The basis came from my great-grandmother. All-purpose flour, black pepper.
What is this, a ratio of 2 to 1?
Close to like 3 to 1. A little salt, got a little onion, a little garlic. Guess what the other one is?
Cinnamon.
Hey.
That is the first. Okay, so we just dredge. Oh, so this doesn't go in a wash or anything?
No.
And this is how your grandma did it?
My great-grandmother.
Do you dredge it to order?
We do. Cook to order. You want to shake the excess off, because we like to have a light coating.
Thigh first, then the drum, then the breast.
Wing.
Oh, you're gonna go wing, then the breast. That breast is even gonna cook faster than that little wing ding.
Bingo.
And we play bingo.
12 minutes. Let me set the timer here. Get golden brown.
Hey, guess who's dumb enough to take a bite of that right now?
Nobody.
Evidently, you haven't seen the show.
That's home style.
Home style. That's good.
Thank you.
Good crunch.
That's why we don't do the egg wash.
You cook that chicken skin. That's a crunchy chicken skin that people like.
I've been coming here probably about 19 years. I order the same chicken every time.
Jumbo tenderloin, sweet spicy love.
What's the majority of the sales?
Chicken, tenderloins. Nothing else is even close.
The tenderloins.
Tenderloins.
But you weren't doing tenderloins
I
back
know.
then.
I was doing them, but they wasn't a big thing.
The tenderloins, they're juicy with a crunch.
What do you marinate them in?
Corruption? What else is there? Corruption?
Is there another sauce in life?
Our corruption season that I've had for almost 30 years, it's the base for everything. It's the foundation.
It's called the corruption?
Corruption. Once you've tasted it, you've been corrupted.
Garlic, chili powder, or wow, chili powder. Wow. Salt. I love paprika.
That paprika.
It's got to be onion, celery salt. That's the sugar, lemon pepper. Smoke.
Hickory smoke. All righty. You take a pound of corruption to a gallon of water, go into the refrigerator for 48 hours. We take the jumbo chicken tenderloins and we dredge them in the flour. And from here to the deep fryer. We let them sit and cook here for 5 minutes, straight into the sweet spicy love.
Is it like a barbecue sauce?
No, it's more like a buffalo wing sauce. Then we pull them out of the deep end of the pool of Flavor Town.
These are plump tenders.
Oh, yeah.
This is gonna be like a 50-pound chicken. The tenders are dynamite.
I have your sweet spicy tenderloins hot with a biscuit.
It's fresh chicken and it's juicy and it just has the best flavor.
The corruption sauce, it's sweet, it's spicy, it's really good.
All right, here we go, here we go, here we go.
Wow, man. You're close to getting a hug right now. I say this when I do Triple D. I'm gonna send them to you. The Flavor Town Army is gonna show up. Just be ready to handle them, and you have been.
Spicy chicken tenderloins going out with biscuits on the side.
When you come to Memphis, you have to go to Uncle Lou's. Everybody loves them, and the food is off the charts.
His sauce is completely different. It's sweet and spicy. It's just wonderful.
We're gonna make our award-winning honey dip sauce.
Whose recipe is this?
This one is mine.
This is yours.
This one is mine. Red wine vinegar, Louisiana hot sauce.
We're still in Tennessee, though, right?
We're still in Tennessee.
Now, what do we add?
Those are spices gonna go in the big.
In?
And as soon as it comes to a boil, try to get the corruption in as soon as possible because we don't want the vinegar to evaporate.
Now, when's the honey going?
Right now.
We turn off the heat?
And then we double honey.
Do we ladle over?
We call it honey dip, not honey ladled.
That's it.
Honey dip sauce,
Yeah?
complete.
Oh, that's like sweet, spicy love.
Note that. You're like, what do you call this? I said, we call it honey dip. No, brother.
No,
Sweet, spicy love.
Yeah.
Name change. The amount that we ship
Right.
is crazy.
How much do you think?
A lot.
Good.
The sweet spicy love sauce is a hot sauce with a sweet kick on the end. I could bathe in this stuff.
We have a less spicy and a more spicy.
You just have spicy?
Spicy is the less spicy.
You gotta start with a spicy.
Right, and then we made a more spicy, which made the original spicy less spicy.
How do we make it more spicy?
200 heat cayenne pepper.
That's what I'm talking about.
Just enough to make you thirsty. Won't make your hair stand on end.
Just let you...
Sweet spicy little chicken wings with a side of sweet spicy little beans.
Uncle Lou's had the same menu for a long time, but some of the sides that he has added have been fantastic.
You have the green beans.
You got the corn nuggets, you got the okra, you got the sweet, spicy love beans. I guess you could think of them as your grandma's favorite baked beans at the barbecue.
We like to call it a northern bean with a southern kick. We add the beans to our pressure cooker. Put the lid on, let it cook for about an hour. Once they finish, we drain them, and then we add all the magic to them. We'll start with our corruption, then we'll add salt, the sweet spicy love sauce. Last but not least, honey. Give them a good stir, bring them up to temp, and they're ready to be served.
Wings and biscuit and sweet spicy love beans.
There's a little bit of hot, a little bit of spice. Perfect.
Black pepper, a little bit of sweet, just fantastic.
We need biscuits inside, right?
Favorite side would probably be the biscuit with the honey on it.
It's a perfect Southern thing for sure.
Our world famous honey buttered biscuits. Once we get them baked off, then we put melted butter on them, and then we glaze them with honey.
This biscuit is like a biscuit donut. It's sweet, honey, buttery donut biscuit.
I need one more sweet spicy love.
You got a lot to be proud of. Thank you. You should be getting yourself over here right quick now.
This is what it's all about. You're still doing it. You're still grinding it. Couldn't happen to a better guy. You are as legit as they come.
Thank you.